Position marker is a very simple feature inside of Adobe InCopy, but is very useful in the long run. So we're going to take a look at how to work with that. So over here, as you're typing down the sentence and you have a lot of sentence, what you can do is you can insert something called a position marker. Let's say, for example, this is the area that I want to enter the position marker in. So I simply go around here onto edit, and then I can go on to position marker, and here you have an option to insert position marker, as you can see right here. So once you click on it, what happens is that a marker is inserted. So you go around here, this is like a bookmark that you might want to come back later on. So you type in your content right over here, and let's say you have a ton of pages right over there and you want to get back onto that marker because you want to insert some content there. So you can simply go around into edit now, and then you can go on to position marker and then go to marker, and then what happens is that your cursor is set on to that place right there. You can go around here. Let's say, for example, you want to change the position of the marker. You simply get the position of the cursor somewhere else, and then you go on to edit, go to position marker, and then you can click on replace marker. So what happens is that the other place is marked around just like that. And you can see right over here that even in story mode, the marker is visible, and it's even visible in galley mode. And the way to work with in both of those views are same as well. So you can simply click on go to marker and start typing it there. So that is how everything works out. So now if you want to remove the marker, you simply go around here into position marker and click on remove marker, and then the marker gets removed. So you want to mark something out while you're editing out, you want to get back there later on, or let's say, for example, you want to let somebody else know that some editing is left to be done there, then you can use the position marker and then move forward with it. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.